my name is Maria Simpson. I'm a solutions engineer with Winshuttle, and I'm going to show you how you can streamline your customer onboarding process using Winshuttle Evolve. In the demo, I'll show different role-based views. I'll show how you can use a third-party web service for address validation. I'll walk through a duplicate search against SAP. I'll show conditional workflow routing with parallel tests. I'll show live SAP validation and posting in the form. I'll walk through Smart Table functionality that can be used for extensions or multiple records. And last but not least, I'll show email notifications. This is the Evolve platform, and here I have my form templates, so I'll go ahead and launch my customer create. And we're going to start off in the requester view. So I'll go ahead and fill out my customer information. So you may have noticed when I hit tab, it actually made these fields uppercase. So you can easily add in business rules. You can make fields required, conditionally required. We have things like drop downs. This lookup allows you to do a lookup against reference data. You can also do a lookup against a database. And we also have other elements such as email address. So if I type in an invalid address here, we'll get an error. So I'll go ahead and make that a valid email address. And let's go ahead and fill out the address. So this is a map element that uses Google. So if I start typing in an address, I'll see my options. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And it automatically fills out the address fields for me. So if I click check address and click validate address, this is actually using a third-party web service from Address Doctor.